Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. Look where we are. Beautiful, beautiful beach area in Faliraki. Let's see what it's called. It's a Blue Flag Beach. Where's the name? Or is it just called Blue Flag? There's a blue flag in the water. But yeah. There's a little convenience shop, some restaurants and stuff around the side. Sorry, I'm to move my hand out of the way and stop that autofocus. But yeah, we're going to take a walk back around the main road. I tried to clear my nose before I started and I don't know. Stupid. But anyway, let's keep going. Get down the main road, show you all the bars and restaurants. There's a new little area that they've built up. I think it's still being built. I can't remember the names of the bars and restaurants that were there. I think Coco. I think that's what it's called, Coco. That's me just top of my head trying to remember. Check out the apartments there, and it looks like it's blue on the right. So they've got their own little pools, and then you've got that as your backdrop. Really nice, eh? But yeah. Let's get down this road for you, because if you stay down this area, it's not actually a bad walk in to Faliraki. Doesn't take what? It's 5 minutes to walk from here. Obviously, you've got that beach just there. You've got other beaches around. Lots of little different areas to stay in. And I mean, yeah, if you're staying out this way, you've got the lovely grass fields, all the lovely, what are they called, crickades? Look at that. Does it look like an observatory or something? It's not. And, yeah, you've got the scrap man here. I should be coming up to Village Taster. Yeah, there's the beach there. If you watched the last video, it's basically where I walked around. Check this one out here. Just gonna have a look at this place here. Looks very nice behind these cars. Check that place out. Not open, as you can see. Absolutely beautiful little swimming pool, bar. There'll be a restaurant at the top. It's connected to these apartments behind. What's it called? Evita Mere. So yeah. I mean, if you ever stayed there, obviously this is brand spanking new for this year. Looks really new. A lot of things here look really new. But for me, new, because I didn't see it before. But you guys might have seen it. It's changed, you know. They've just redone it for the next year. So you have Casa del Sol, the backside of it all. Oh God. Don't know why I feel a bit bunged up today. No idea why. Didn't just out late, but wasn't drinking too heavy. But yeah, so Casa del Sol and the beach. It's very nice. So we went in Casa del Sol. Wasn't the happiest with my bill, because I was meant to be having €2 beers. For some reason it was a €50 bill. We had some food. Fish and chips, absolute trash. Do not get fish and chips in there. It was just like that frozen fish you get from Iceland. Which, you know, I think I was paid €13 for us both to have one each. And they just give you one of the frozen fish. Not two. I expected, you know, for the price, bloody hell, maybe 4 of them. But yeah, not for me, as I said. I won't be back. And yeah, €50 for like that, a couple of beers. No way. Definitely not worth it. Definitely not worth it. So you've got a little convenience shop there, just went past it, didn't show you. Not much else until we get up to the main road. So let's talk about what we're doing at the moment. So we're on our second mega trip of the year. We're going to do more of these every year. Cost effective. That's the main reason. And we have a wide range of clientele who like our videos. Looks really nice there, doesn't it? So where we travel to a lot of places with a rounded subscriber base. So where someone maybe just goes to Tenerife, they only have Tenerife subscribers, they go to a new place, nobody cares about it. For us, we've gathered a lot of subscribers from a lot of different places in Rhodes, Marmaris, Ismaila, Zante. A lot of people enjoyed that. Notice no one is enjoying the Marbella. No one's enjoying the Marbella videos, so Costa del Crime, as they like to call it. Don't think we will be back anytime soon for a while. And I'll be really honest with you guys, it's not got a lot going for it anymore. I don't get it. You let me know in the comments what Costa del Crime has got going for it nowadays, because everything just seems dated. Right, you're gonna have new buildings, you're gonna have new stuff there, I get it. But the prices are so expensive. You know, expect a local beer to be a local price. That's what a local beer is about. When you come to England, we've got our local is maybe Wetherspoons. You get a beer in there. What, 130, 140 for bitter? I get it. We're not a developing country. We're more established. But anyway. So yeah, our subscriber base is very much rounded. So we thought this year we'll do a lot of these little mega trips. Say little. You know, going to 4 places. It's not 4 different countries. It's not little. So we'll be heading over to Athens. We've got 12 hours before our flight to Zante. So we're going to go and see Wagwan in Athens for 12 hours. Maybe it's going to be like 10. Maybe it'll be just under that, 9 hours, something like that. There's enough time to get down to I don't know, if I'm honest with you. I'm going to have to research it, see where we can get to from the airport. Tried to check in a few days ago for the flights, but wouldn't let me check in, and it just sent me information today, because we're flying, not tomorrow, the next day, and said, yeah, I can check in, which I don't understand, because you don't put no passport information, because obviously it's internal. I'm in Greece now, I'm flying to Greece, so I don't have to put no information in. And yeah, I'm going to show you my favourite gyros and let the boys go past. I'll show you my favourite gyros. I'm going to come here tonight for my dinner. Opens at 5 PM at the moment. I need to do like Uber Eats from it, so I'll be ordering it all day, every day. Let me give you a price so you can get yourself hamburgers for $9.50. They changed it to $5.50. You got pork gyros, pita bread, €4. Look at that. €4. Just up the road, they got it for $6. So this is where the locals come. If you don't know, get yourself to here. Get yourself 2 gyros. They actually do vegan stuff as well. Let me show you. Oh, hopefully it's working, the light in there. Hold on. There we go. And make it a little bit lighter for you. So yeah, check out the prices there. So yeah, £4. Let me make it a bit better. A bit darker now. Take off the auto, everything. Oh, go. Yep, there we go. But yeah, €4 for gyros. Trust me. Just up there at 6 for a small. And there's no sizes. You didn't see a size, did you? So this road here takes you straight round to Bar Street. So if you're staying on this end, make sure you get there. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to end it here. If you could like, let me get myself in it, eh? If you can like, comment, subscribe, share with all your family and friends. Swag One Tours. We're in Faliraki. I'll catch you on the next one.